Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A while ago a man came to our house and knocked on our door and asked us if we wanted these numbers to be done, which is shows the number 7. It's like got a blue background and number 7, and they're kind of fading away now. So we're planning to do one because he has not come back. He charged me like $15 for both that side and this side. So we're gonna try and do it ourselves. So I've got green paint and I've got white paint. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut us a square and then cut out the number 7. Then we can paint the square with green and then paint the white of the number 7 template. So we'll see how we go. We'll just get the measurements on it. So I'll just grab a pencil and mark it out. I'll be back. Okay, so we just did an estimate size of the square and then we'll go and cut it out and come back. Okay, stop. Right, so just mark the square as doesn't have to be accurate because it's just it can still look good.
Hopefully.
Okay, we've made a template. This is a pizza box, by the way. I'm gonna try and this is alright. So we've got the template for the square, which is gonna be green. Then after that's done, we put the second template and paint white. In theory, that should look awesome. Let's go. Gonna clean around a bit. Make sure there's no dust.
That's on the road, you'll get your foot rolled over.
Yeah, you shake this while you're eating. Okay, I'm gonna stand in the wind so it doesn't ruin my painting. Mask on. Okay, let's do the other one so we can give this a chance to dry. Come on. Okay, we're cleaning the second one. Then we're spraying. Can pause.
All done.
Okay, now we're gonna go back to the other one with white paint. Oh, I hope this paint is alright. Seems pretty old. Ah,
Oh.
alright. Ta-da!
Sort of.
Might have to use the green one again. But it looks alright. Okay, let's try. Let's do the better one here. Right. Stick it down more, like so.
Help me spray.
Ta-da!
Better.
Much better. Alright.
Let's just get the green and fix the other one.
Alright, that's it. Both of them done. Come and show. This one is the first one, so not too good, but if you go to the second one,
I got more.
it's much better because I stuck it down. And this way people can see that our house is number 7. Right. Thanks for watching. Thanks, and please subscribe. See you next time. Right, we just realized we can use the same number 7 on our bins people will know that this is our house number. Okay, I'll hold it for you. 1 second. Wait, I'll stop this. Alright, 7, 7, 7. Looking
Nobody
good.
can steal our bins.
Awesome.